What's going on, guys? And today I will show you how to create the newest sonic screwdriver, but Lego. This sonic screwdriver only needs 6 basic pieces to be made. This new sonic screwdriver is different from any of the others, which I think is fantastic. However, you may think differently, so comment down below what you think about this new sonic screwdriver. Anyway,